Here I have HTC U12 Plus, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into this device. So to do this, you'll need this kind of tool, which will help you to eject the SIM card and SD card slot. So what you have to do is to take this tool, put it inside the hole on the slot, slightly press it, slot will pop out. So here you should insert your SD card, and here SIM card, and then put it back into your device, just like this. So as you can see, it immediately requires PIN code to my SIM card. So let's enter it. And there's also notification SD card error, which indicates that SD card is also detected. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.